bafethu khona into engisabayo mina wabo that thing nginokhuluma ngathi i-prison ngisaba le yanto ngayo but one main thing that I'm scared of is to get used to prison, because you forget about the important things: your family, your future, your friends, your good friends, and your God, because you are going to hurt people when not to go to prison. I wonder if ogadumela ronka fela Satanex we kopela rona kopa ya prison because I feel I will hurt people, or I feel I will rape, or I feel I will steal, I don't have food outside. Yeah, or nkisenda ka sign if ne dumelo ntho my brother. Kore if you are a skebengo bafethu, it's like you are a witch. You know, you are a witch in that yard. Even those who are not agreeing with you in that thing, but in the street they are involved, because we're gonna say laba bakamoleko laba kuyathakathwa kuphi kamoleko, only to find you don't even have a house mfana kithi. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out, because you're reigning, defending, undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Appa is the host with the most. Thank you very much, bafethu. Njengenjwayelo isiko culture. Thank you very much to our subscribers, bafethu. Nani nonke people who are watching our videos, bafethu. Please click subscribe, share it. You know, download it if you want. Thank you very much. And please, bafethu, abantu abafuna ukusupporta le podcast anyhow, you are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you very much, bafethu. Hey, it's inqala ngokuthi salute to amasandawana. Ngokuba ama-king ase-Africa bafethu, it's undeniable. We must only rally behind them, even if you are not a Sandawana. You must say big up to Sandawana, because it takes our flag up high. You know, in Africa today we are known. Years back, I won't say the same. And it's quite sad to song keke bafethu. Nepakanika ngishilo last week ngathi big up for winning treble bafethu. Ningathi I'm biased, you know. Yeah, mina I'm a Khosi for life. Siyasokola tata. We are hustling. We are building. Although it's embarrassing, but that's what they are telling us. We must have patience. Thank you very much, bafethu. Isikwate sethu. Hey, sibange indaba. Abo bani bekumele bakhona, abo bana bekho. Hey, yeah, nami nginabami nje bekumele bakhona la. Anyone, everyone unalabantu bekumele kube bakhona la. Mina owami oqala, Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper. Bekumele uda Peterson. Bekumele uda esquadini. Why? Because his height. You know, Pella, remember guys, those people out there, it's like a PlayStation. You are playing a PlayStation. You know how they kick the ball. They put power, which is something that we lack in South Africa. Marate Bombogazzi and Teboho Banaleona, I like that about them. And the other second player, Tapelo Morena. That speed, that skill, that contribution on the pitch, dishing up for other players, bafethu, coming from the back. That guy is energetic. Umotloela jwang bafethu. And Tito Lowe Pirate, yeah, indaba Tito na akekho consistent bafethu man. Mina into engibonile ngaye, but he's better in this game, modern game. He's better than Uzwane. but Zwane loaded with experience. He can contribute even if he does not play. That's one thing I know about experience. Kukula Upege, John Moeti went to the World Cup injured. He went to the World Cup. Why? His experience. Those kind of players are player coaches. They are calling them player coaches. So Uzwane Tito Mvana Sobona Ntono yam. Sorry baba. Thank you bafethu. Into kumele siyenze just support any Bafana because this time we qualified ourselves. We played hard, we won games, and we end up qualifying. Here we are, America, Mexico, wherever, but we are there as South Africans. So I believe they won't come out early because I write it to a favor this time. They won't come out early. Let us not expect South African or Bafana Barnaba win a World Cup. But I know we are going somewhere. We're gonna show them we are South Africans. Thank you very much, Buffett. Hade forest ngayang Nigeria Senegal. Hey, I'm a superpower and next. But today things changed thanks to Bafana and Hugo Bros. Yo, Buffett, khona into engisabayo mina. That thing nokhuluma ngathi i-president ngisaba le yanto ngayo. But one main thing that I'm scared of is to get used to prison. Then when I was sasabe, then when I was umpantitele, when you have friends and you still miss them when you are out here. And it's not a flaw, but it's a flaw not that you want to go back to prison. No, not in that context. You remember things that happened because you were there. It's part of you now. It's part of your story now. You understand? So, that thing, it clouds your judgment towards people that are loving you, towards people that you had every day while you are in there. People are not getting the sleep during the night because when you are there. The likes of your mother, the likes of your uncles, the likes of your father. You know, they won't show emotions public, but they will say a word. And that word, if it is blocked with a disrespect, ntate wa thola. Wabona no ibile re tshwareletsa ka government ya rona re government yethu imela bafazi, government yethu imela in. It's just that nathi abo baba sizimele, but that is for next time. Ukuthi sikhulume bafethu. Just to talk, to raise your concerns about issues that are eating us in general. Masitshela ukuthi awunamali wena 10 rand. In general, as a nation. Thank you very much. So bafethu, just imagine wena sojwayela ijele. And even nezinto ozozenza ngenkani. Ngeke usatshelwa mina ke cause ngitshela ugqwala leyo arrogance. That arrogance, it is filling up your mind and disturbing it and disrupting your thinking, because you forget about the important things, your family, your future, your friends, your good friends, and your God, because you are going to hurt people when not to go to prison. I wonder if Ogadumela Ronka fell side next. We kopela rona kopa ya prison because I feel I will hurt people, or I feel I will rape, or I feel I will steal. I don't have food outside. Yeah, or nkisenda ka sign. If nedumelo unto my brother. But sometimes olela mahala because you are not disabled, as we like to say. You are not crippled anyway. You are 100%. There are people that are envious of you while they see you walking, running. Many people that you meet on the street, they are very, very envious. Some of them, they regret because of how it happened, Some of them, they regret. Some of them, it is killing them inside. But when, why don't you trust yourself? Start by doing that, young youth. We didn't trust ourselves. We were not raised to trust ourselves. you know. So re tshepa dichomi mawubona bangani maqala ulambe, mawubona bangani maqala hey kunje no, it doesn't work like that. Noma makho ngamenza umngani wakho. A friend can be anyone bafethu. Umngani wakho awuthiya kini le ningaringisani nayo uye umngani wakho loyo uyenza umngani wakho. Umalume lo ongamthandi wena makakukhoza mfethu, uthi wena uyadaka wenza ama excuse ngoba umalume akekho successful financially, then you choose to disrespect and questioning everything that he says. My brother, come on, you are wasting your future. And now you make people to come and badmouth your family. If you are a skebengo bafethu, it's like you are a witch. You know, you are a witch in that yard. Even those who are not agreeing with you in that thing, but in the street they are involved, because we're gonna say laba bakamoleko laba kuyathakathwa kuphi kamoleko, only to find you don't even have a house mfana kithi. And I'm often tell you know you can't be a boss. O hopotse matakwane, o hopotse o itaela, o hopotse dijo tsa everyday. Ai tloela ntho tse mfana kuthi. Don't be bored outside, because some of us will think hey nke bo thotse life sentence wena mos ba o bolaya once, ba o bolaya o bana tlo re bolaya before ya prison, o tlo re bolaya before ya prison bafethu. Ho tloela tonko bafethu, o etsa le go join gangsterism easy, because that is the fastest and the easiest and the critical way to go back to prison, especially many years hanging over your shoulder thinking like it's a dream. You will wake up quick. Never. You won't wake up, my brother. But now shapa 50 years ba o ise pomwe, only one. That gangsters there how ba bang ba balile, ba bang ba thuntse ba shwele, ba bang le bona ba etsa di 100, but only to find o thola re wena o tla re lowe ba shapa wena ka 200 years, ba bang ba shapa ka di 50 years. I've seen that ko Machiteng. Ba no thola re le magistrate o shapile pudi ka ra gangster eo ka dilemo tse paya, according to the statement sa di clever tse jwanong. They think gore ke yena entle the real perpetrator. Kante wa jwetsiwa ebile wa jwetsiwa le ko di seleng gore endo se magule statement ba o jwetsa di chomi tsa ka da da phela. It's a dog eat dog. Everyone wants to see themselves outside. Everyone. That's why they say there is no loyalty among thieves. One shot. Linyongo, Otamasai Tolona Ropuan Kara gangsterism. Only no chef for the boys. Rona Henry at a 9. Otama 12 Matova Yogo by 5. If you are no chef for the boys, you must just drink alcohol. You eat what they buy. With your hard-working money, you are in danger. You put your life in danger for that money. But look at your peers. They are going to say no share for the boys. You are a boy, but you are telling us they are your friends. You even promised to tell them Harohlopa or izinja zam. Unenja wen. Phuma kulezinto mfana kuthi man. Noma ngabe ubaba wakho akekho this time. Mara wena u-independent uyakhula wena. Uzoba yi-one. Kusasa uzosola ukuthi why bengikhala nge-time lapha. I wasted my precious time. Khumbula ukuthi ayikho into ebuyele emuva. Uhlala nge-regret wena. I-regret uyawonda noma udla kakhulu mfanami. I-regret uyawonda noma unemali. Uyawonda. Ama-issues of heart lawo. Abo-regret. 95% yethu sibulawa ama-regret. Not anything, not that asespane, not that asenzeni. We are thinking about what we should have done long ago. Ininkeberesebeletsa today. Thinking mina maqala ngafa. Wabona nto ya how the criminal. You are thinking of dying anytime. And wafethu, you are not God. You are not. You are thinking of dying anytime, all the thoughts. Because you know what you are going to do. It is not right, you know. And they can say whatever. Some of them, it was too late. Some of them, it was too late. And some of them, it was too late. You know, because our parents have They are losing towel easily. I don't know why. They are losing towel easily on their kids. For the sake of hearing something from the street about your child, you come to disown because you feel embarrassed. Babang, you are going to advocate for him, even though he is wrong. There is a proof. Hey, but it's not all of them, you know. Yeah, I like the fact that now people are awakening. People are smarter. Instead of being amakabete, the mudstones. Most of them are the mudstones. Even Logona Machista. Most of us are Ramatinja Felaj. Ramatakala Felaj. Kauchaila Ronama Chance. Roller be Matakala. Harquatets Mediac. Kikwatela Luanaka. Never Sampona. Kanjani, unalungwana mos. Ubua jongo never sawbona. Hey, wena skakhala utla ke ngwanaka o. This is my joy. Your joy is wrong. Hauna mutho entse ngwana le one lefatse. But yeah, I don't know the situations. I get on all these situations. Ona le batho ba khalemelang ba fethu. But I partner ya high yo. Wa bona, ba teng batho ba jwalo. So they are begelezeli. Se ba ro senyetsa nako. It's like you are part of the gangster now, or you are hitting up this guy. This guy that's like what? I don't know what talk about my brother. Sekibuel ka bodi chomi. Khala ka shapana di chomi dia shapana ma strategy di shapana le ka di thipa. Ko wa situation in sexual. Mara he, how lentwana. I still say ha o le motho wa moholo, choice is yours my friend. You know what is talking, whatever why you sa qole, whatever why you sa batle peace in your heart. That's all on you. But please don't interfere with good people. Don't. It doesn't matter what makes you angry 100 years ago, 10 years ago. It doesn't matter how you grow up, bruh. Keep it to yourself. Keep it clean to yourself. When you were growing, you still sabatli two shake. O sabatli bua ke. Why expose ke. Hlala lapho ungangene banye abantu ke. Ungayikwenza crime ngoba inomama kho awulala ungadlanga bese uyenza crime. Have you thought about abantwana balawo yenza crime khona? Ubaba wabo usebenzile mosiyena. He was smart. Even the mother, she was smart enough to think for their kids. Rona bana ba rona ba be le nyongo. Re batla ba bela 20,000 cash. Mara wena o se tshware bophelong ba hao. Why sa be di 100 rand di 50 rand? From matswalo ngono. O ska ilata la o shota ka chelta rent. O ska ilata la o shota ka chelta snake. O ska ilata chelte o le ha papa a re hana chelta ya msebetsing. Ona tse ba tlamile ya msebetsing. You must deal with that first. Learn to anticipate, my friend. Le lona ma chance, learn to anticipate. Or ngwana na since ke tshola le yena se ke le ntato wa hae now. I provide now. Asel rato le. Ausi, since tshola le mthako, a sa khona move free. Hey, ukoka uphi manje? Hey, why ungazangi izolo? Ntwe ya shrink mentally. Yes. You are going to be small out of papa. It will be too little, too late. One shot. So bafethu, ske la tloela ntronko jalo. La tseba ke re jwang ma chance ko strateng. Ske la tloela ntronko jalo. Lona la tseba ke re jwang. Le tloela twe. E tlo senya life ya hao, mara o utlwisa batho ba o ratang bohloko mfana bothi. O utlwisa ntato wa hao bohloko. A bona so controller ke di bashimane ba bang. O utlwisa mme wa hao bohloko mfana bothi. Re mona re mo shebile gore she's so stressed. That beautiful body is no longer there. Simply because of you mfana man. Akuphile sumama kho kamnandi. Noma ungamniki imali but izenzo zakho prior masilunge. Awuhlala endlini yekela ngoba bana ba strata. Arero skaya strata. But you can't live in the street. Wena. Likutsumela. O ba shebe makutsumela ba shwa most. O tloele ba ba i3-4 ba buang ko YouTube. O tloele ba. Go and look for makutsumela mpela. O tla bona re ha gembula gembes. Wa pola ho apeswa. Wa tsela wa bata. ha bua 6 sentence a o e utlwa e one tlamela phete vie voice ke makutsumela strata bana le experience strateng a ke re building the family ma South Africans please wa tseba nna ke hotse ke khalla that setup ya family o ska lo bitsa bo maqala family ba wa se family ya ha wa rata ha o rate uyathanda uthanda kusi family yakho abangani they won't do those family things o tla bona ha o sa utlwi nna no you will see and I hate to say that you will see but please bafethu kasheko it's nice ubana re bua le lona a re le shape a re le rwake we respect you young ones and I encourage my peers even your parents to respect you. They can't claim to be loving you without respect. Thank you very much. Sizonibona futhi. Tankololo.